Hello, this is Borani for Tech Solutions. Alright, this is the robot we've all been waiting for. Riproko Sagada. Alright, this is Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro. Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro robots. Alright, this is the first edition of the robots version 1.0. okay, here's the full display of the Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro robot. You can see that the robot works with the Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro indicator. All right, the idea and its concept, all right, is all gotten from the Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro indicator. All right, so let's see how it works. Hello guys, listen to me. It's very important to have your own working strategy, a very good system, a working system that can be able to help you, all right, and make profit in the marketplace. All right, that is the only way you can succeed in this business. You need a very good system, you need a very good strategy, all right, that can help you become successful in your trading business. Okay, all right, remember, others are also coming in to compete with you. All right, so this is the environment. This is the Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro robot environment. All right, note that when you're using Signal Machine plus Scalping Pro, okay, you have to choose your time frame, the time frame you want the machine to operate with. Okay, whether 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, as the case may be. Okay, all right, you have to choose or determine the time frame you want to use. Okay, all right, you can see I'm using the 1 minute time frame. Okay, to pick my trade. I programmed the robot to be picking trade on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, all right, so look at it. Let me just zoom in a bit so that you can see all of it. Okay, so the robot is picking trade, all right, on 1 minute time frame. It's picking my trade on 1 minute time frame. Okay, all right, so this is the view of it. This is our 30 minutes time frame. All right, the market just started. All right, and I took a buy. Because of this entrance level. Okay, look at the entrance level. Okay, the market is now bullish. So I took a buy from this entrance. Okay, this is another entrance level, okay, for a sell. All right, look at an entrance level for a sell. All right, let's look at how to set up our parameters. Okay, all right, very important. Okay, it's very important you know how to set up your parameters. The parameters that goes with the robots. Okay, so you right click and go to your expert list. All right, you click on your properties. All right, you click on your common. Okay, and allow agro modification of signal setting, and also allow agro trading. Okay, and click on your input, and you see your order type. What do you want to do? You want to buy or you want to sell? All right, so you have to choose and select what you want to do, whether you want to buy or sell. Okay, you go to the box and select what you want. Okay, I'm buying, so I selected buy. Okay, all right, so your time frame is current. All right, your time frame, always put it current so that all right, it depends on what you want. Okay, like right now I'm using the 1 minute time frame to trade. Okay, because I want so many positions to be open. Okay, so I can decide to put it on 1 minute time frame. I can decide to select 1 minute time frame. Okay, like this. Okay, all right, but I prefer always leaving it on the current setup. Okay, or on the current settings. All right, I always prefer leaving it on current. Okay, all right, so we have our, you just immediately move to, don't waste time, move to your move to the close by balance profit and make it false. Okay, close by balance profit should be false. Okay, please keep it false. All right, number of trade per signal. Okay, I want the robot to be opening one trade for me every one candle, okay, that the market forms. Okay, it should be opening one trade for me. Okay, that's why you said, like, if you want the robot to open two for you, okay, you can also put two here. Okay, so the robot will be opening two positions for you. Okay, so all right, but in this case I want the robot to be opening one position for me, okay, in every candle that is being formed in the market. Okay, all right, so you look at the lot size. All right, what lot size you want to use, you can set it up here. All right, the stop loss should be in pips. All right, you set up your stop loss where you want to take your profit. Okay, all right, so you set up also your take profit here in pips. Okay, all right, how many pips do you want to get from the market? How many pips do you want to get before leaving the market? Okay, all right, so how many pips do you want to risk? That is a lot, your stop loss. Okay, then your take profit is how many pips you want to get from the market. Okay, all right, you have your maximum spread. Sometimes the spread might be can be too high. The spread can be too high sometimes, so all you need to do is to choose the spread you want to trade with. Okay, whether 5, 10 or 20 as the case may be. The spread on the screen right now is 890, okay, which is about 89 spread. Okay, all right, so the spread is 89. All right, so immediately go to your trading time. Okay, your trading time, very important. Okay, you want the robot to be trading at a particular time. Okay, you have to set it up here. All right, but for me, I decide to leave it at 4, so I don't need a particular time. But if you want the robot to be trading 24/7, okay, all right, you can set it up here. All right, put the time, start time, and your start time end, start time and time end. Okay, all right, so you can set the time where the spread will not be too high for you. Okay, all right, so the robot can work 24/7. all right, so you also need to set the days. Okay, if you want the robot to trade on a particular day and shouldn't trade on a particular day, you can make it true and false. All right, so that is that. Okay, so that's all about the setup. Okay, all right, so you can see on our screen we are having $502. all right, $502 Signal Machine plus Capping Pro. Okay, $502 right now. Okay, $502 is massive. It's massive. Okay, it's massive. All right, so we're using the margin of 278 margin level $278 okay. All right, so you can see how massive it is. Okay, how massive it is. Very massive, very massive. Okay, so get your Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robot right away. Okay, all right, get your Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robot immediately. Okay, all right, contact me with these numbers on the screen. Contact me with this number on the screen. Okay, so that you can be able to have your own copy. All right, subscribe, like, share, and tell me what you think about the Signal Machine plus Capping Pro robot in the comment section. Have a wonderful day.